Just recently, I got a whole bunch of logs that I needed to bring to my house so that I can mill them up, and I had to build some way to pick them up because I'm dealing with some 800 1,000 pound logs, and I had no way to move them without some sort of a device to get them into my trailer. So what I did is I built a log arch. I saw this on videos, and what it does is you hook your logs down here, and then it lifts it up, and then as it swings forward, it swings it into your trailer. Bam! All right? Now, the problem I had with the log arch was I wasn't able to unload my trailer with it. And I wanted to be able to unload whatever I had on here, so I built these brackets that went to the arch to hold it in place, and that way I could use the log arch to pull as well as push. Let's take a look at some video I shot. It worked exactly like I was hoping it would work, and if other people want to build it, they're going to love it because you can pick anything up that you want with it, and you can load it or unload it. Let's take a look at some video of me using the log arch both ways.